Good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. I hope that everyone is doing great and you enjoy your weekend. So, here at MarketMindsMastery, we would like to welcome you, of course, to this week, and it's going to be an interest week because a lot of major banks will report their interest rates. So let's dive into the today's markets trend. Let's start with the Australian dollar, US dollar. Guys, this market here, it's not trending anymore. It's a sideways market, and it's very easy to find it out if you're gonna look primarily on the weekly time frame. Why on the weekly? Because it's easier to see this kind of candle, the bullish engulfing candle, and that printed, I think, beginning of March, and the last 4 trading weeks, which means the last 20 trading days, the price didn't create any high or any low above or below these swings respectively. So the market, it moves sideways, and on the lower time frame it's gonna look something like this. You see on the daily chart, it might looks a little bit of at this point here it was like a downtrend, but see guys, on the 4-hour chart there is no market swings, nothing. But saying that, all the order blocks, they have to be traded cautiously. So we have also this area that we expected the price to come and grab some of the orders before it's going to move to the upside. So let's see what's going to happen with this one here. Next one is the euro against the US dollar. The euro has more clarity. I like that on the weekly chart. The price traded with lower highs and lower lows, and last week it grabbed the low of the previous week, it pushed to the upside, it made a new high, it closes a bullish engulfing, moving averages pointing to the upside. So I will be more interested into this one here. So on the daily chart, on Friday, this reversal at the top, rejecting the higher prices, that we call gravestone reversal, gravestone candle, activate the sellers, but afterwards non-farm payroll, and the price moved upward, leaving behind this dragonfly. So the price pretty much opened where it closed in the last trading days, and the market just moves nowhere. But based on this market structure, the lower highs and lower lows on the daily chart, if the sellers, they were strong after this pullback or price correction, they will have definitely take control, and we will have seen the price close on the lower levels. But this didn't happen, so we do expect a push to the upside. The 4-hour time frame, the price entered into this area here and filled up this gap between 50 and 61.8% of the Fibonacci retracement, and moved to the upside. Please, if you have any questions, write them on the chat below. Next one, Great British Pound against the US dollar. That was the trade of last week pretty much, because after, let me walk you through from the weekly chart. On the weekly time frame, we commented last week about this inside candle, and we were expecting somewhere at this support to find buyers to push the price higher. Both moving averages, they were pointing upwards, which also adds to the trading idea we built around for long positions. On Monday or Tuesday, the price found the support here, it pushed to the upside, and on the 4-hour time frame, it looks like a wake of accumulation. This one here, price moved to the downside, false break, and it make a new high. So this area here that left behind this bullish candle, it's going to be used, it had to be used for buying opportunities that we took advantage. Some traders, they trade from the middle of the candle, some others they trade from the top of the candle. Anyhow, minimum 2-to-1 or 4-to-1 if you took it from the middle like this. We enter and we go with entry here, the stop loss below this one, or more cautiously under the low of this doji candle. And it's up to you if you want to target this high here, or if you want to just go for a 2-to-1 or 3-to-1, whatever. The market made it available in this trade. What about the news for today? So today, Monday, where is Monday? Here. Only in Switzerland, a speech, but it doesn't really affect our trading activity unless we're going to trade the Swiss franc. Okay, so that's the only significant event for the day. Let's keep going. USD JPY. We expected the price to find some midweek sellers here and decline. The breakout came on Thursday, I think so, or Wednesday. When it was this one, let's check. That was on Friday. The breakout occurred on this 4-hour time frame, and the price recovered immediately. So it shows that maybe the sellers are not that strong at this level, but we have to keep an eye on that and just see what's gonna happen. All right, guys. Next one, US oil or crude oil. The price early morning started traded lower, and I wasn't expecting that, to be honest. First, on the weekly chart, what are we looking for? We are definitely keep looking for long positions. Now, where we want to enter long, it's going to be either we're going to go on the lower time frame. So this order block here was very, very promising, and the price, that's the analysis I do on the weekend. The price entered into this bullish order block, found support on the lower time frames. It looks like this. That's the 15-minute chart, guys. It enters here, printed out this doji candle, so that was a good enough reason to start looking for some long positions after this massive drop. And now, what do we expect it to happen? Well, I do expect the price to move until this area here, and most likely this is going to be the take profit area, unless we see the price move drastically to the upside. So I'm not into this trade because I wasn't awake. Of course, it happened just 5-6 hours ago, and if the price, if someone took that trade and they are waiting for the price to move a little bit higher, be a bit cautious that the price might gonna make a ABC pattern to go for a correction up to 61.8% at the Fibonacci level. So we enter here, for example, and somewhere a bit higher, we secure some profits, we move the stop loss to the entry place, to the entry area, in case the market does something unexpected. Okay, so it's not only to find the trade, and it's also to understand the market character. The gold early this morning. Again, let's check. It started from here. The price, it was right there. Oh, it was right there. Decline, found support at this inside support. That was a perfect trade, and it moved upward, registered a new all-time high, surpassed the 161.8 and the 200% of the Fibonacci extension. So new market information. We're gonna wait for the price to retrace again to find some entries, but at this point here, I don't see anything else. The only thing I could see, it was this inside support, but it already played off, so it's not valid anymore. Next on the list, S&P 500. On the weekly chart, all the US indices printed bearish engulfing candles, massive drop with bearish Marabosus, and we expected, if the price will enter into this area, to continue falling. That's what we expect. Also, there is still some room to be mitigated here, maybe. So that's the plan for today, to look for short positions primarily. Nasdaq, same, we are looking for short positions because of these lower highs and lower lows. DAX, same thing, but what I estimate it's going to happen during the London session, the price is going to move to the upside, at least to enter into this zone here. Write this down, guys, or mark it on your chart. And also it might gonna continue moving upward to fill up some of these gaps in the price. And last one, Bitcoin is trading around the 69,000, 70,000. Yesterday at night, it printed this bearish engulfing candle on the 4-hour chart, but sellers didn't follow through. So we might gonna see a strong Bitcoin prices today and for the next days, but we're gonna be here tomorrow and we're gonna have a look about everything. Also, guys, let me introduce you to our website, MarketMindsMastery. If you are after some of our one-on-one mentorship, you can click here and you can book your 15. We give a 15-minute free introduction session without any obligation, nothing, simply because we need to understand, I have to understand your needs and how can I help you, and that's all. Okay, if you are a beginner trader, if you are an advanced and intermediate trader, if you need only psychology coaching, or if you need market coaching, if you lack strategies, if you lack execution, if you lack anything, just feel free to book your session. And of course, the prices are down here. It's nothing to hide. We just it's not it's nothing to hide. Okay, just simple as that. So okay, guys, that's all from me today. I hope you find value again in the out of this webinar, out of this market analysis. Happy trading to everyone, and I will see you all tomorrow at the same time. Thank you.